Hello children, and welcome to OMK! Welcome to the world of science. I am Crazy Nate, and I have a special friend, and his name is Funky Monkey. Everybody, can you say hello to Funky Monkey? Hello everybody! How are you? Today, we are going to learn about what is a scientist. So today's words for you will be: a scientist observes, compares, and measures, classifies things, makes a model, communicates, infers, puts things in order, predicts, investigates, and draws a conclusion. So today, Funky Monkey and I are going to introduce each of these words to you. So Funky Monkey is going to read the first one for you. Scientists observe. Scientists observe. Look for a red rock. Tell what you might hear at this pond. Okay, so look for a red rock. Tell what you might hear at this pond. So if we look at here, these are all rocks here. Now, can anybody see the red rock? Well, let's see here. Oh, there's a red rock. So there, right by Funky Monkey's hand, is a red rock. So what kind of things might you hear at this pond? You could probably hear the sound of wind. You could probably hear the sound of, you know what that is? Is it a rabbit? Rabbit. That is a frog. Frogs. So you might hear the sounds of frogs, or possibly hear fish jumping out of the water and going back in. The next word we're going to do, scientists compare and measure. So we have 3 lines here. Compare these lines, measure them, which one is longest? Scientists compare and measure these, compare these lines, measure them, which one is longest? So first of all, we need to find a ruler to help us find out which one is the longest. So I want you to think and guess, which one do you think is the longest? A, B, or C? Okay, let's take this ruler. We're going to turn it around. If we look here, it is almost 18 centimeters. And B, almost 19 centimeters. And C, 18 and a half. So if you said B, you are correct. Everybody give yourself a high five. Assa! Okay, the next word we're going to learn is classifies things. Classify things. Scientists classify things. In which group does this belong? How do you know? See, you are a scientist too. So we have to see this. And do you know what that is? If you said a strawberry, fantastic. So where does it go? Does it go with the other berries? Or does it go with the blocks? If you said the blocks, dang, 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 it goes with the other fruits and berries. The next one is scientists make models. Scientists make models. Now you're probably wondering, what is a model? Well, here it says, make a model airplane. How well did it fly? So here, scientists make models. Make a model airplane. How well did it fly? So what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of paper. So what you can do is just find an old piece of paper, any kind of junk paper, and you can rip it in half. Now the idea is to make an airplane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the two corners in, like so. Okay. And then you can take it and fold it in half so both sides are even. And you just take it and slide. Slide right down like so. Okay. Then what you do is you open again and you fold in the left, and you fold that one down like so. And then we take this side and you want it to go to the center. The center, okay? So we fold here and we pull it down, and now we fold in half again. Folding in half again and pull along. Now you're going to make the wings so that it actually flies. Okay? Now you take this. Okay. You see, you fold it down and then you turn it and fold it down again. And now you have a model airplane. Let's see if it flies. Oh, asa, it works. Okay, so scientists make models. Make a model airplane. How well did it fly? So when you're at home, you can try that out. The next one is scientists communicate. Scientists communicate. What is missing from this picture? Tell others your answer. So if we look at this picture, what do you think is missing? You got to take a close look. Does she have two hands? Yes. Does she have two eyes? I think so. Does she have horns? No, there's no horns. What is she holding? What is this? If you said usan or umbrella, awesome. She is missing the handle, the long piece of wood that goes up and that actually holds. So kind of you can call the handle, or you can call it a shaft. Okay, so she's missing that. The next one we have, scientists infer. Scientists infer. Where have these children been? What clues help you know? Where have these children been, and what clues help you know? Nate! Oh, Funky Monkey, where have you been?
Oh, I went outside and I grabbed some bananas. I was so hungry, so I'm sorry I ran away. I'll be back. I'm not going to do anything anymore. Okay, where are we?
Okay, so Funky Monkey, I was just talking to the children here, and I was asking them what clues help you find out where the children have been. Have they been to the moon?
No, I don't think they've been to the moon. It's too cold up there.
Have they been to the forest? Do you think they went to the forest? Probably not. Let's see. What do they have? What do they have? Okay, well, they have a
beach ball and a pail with seashells, and they're wearing shorts. I think they went to the beach.
You are exactly correct. They went to the beach. The children went to the beach.
Okay, the next one. Scientists put things in order. Put these pictures in order.
Okay, so if we look at these pictures, we got to figure out which one is number 1, number 2, and number 3. So if we look,
is this one?
No, that one's not number 3 or number 1. Which one is it?
This one.
Exactly, is number 1. And where's number 2?
This one.
Okay, and where do you think number 3 is? Exactly, right here. And right now, I'm going to show you the stages of this balloon. I have here with me a balloon. So we're going to take this balloon and stretch it. Stretch it, okay? You're going to blow some air into this balloon now. Okay, you ready? Stage 1. Stage 2. Oh my God. Stage 3. Those are the stages. It went from small to medium to big. And there's other things that we can do with balloons too. And then you can even just let it go. Asa. Okay. The next one we have, scientists predict. Scientists predict.
Predict what will happen next. You are a scientist too.
So when we make a prediction, we think about what might happen. So if we take that balloon again, let's take a new balloon. We'll stretch this out. Now, what do you predict will happen if I blow a lot of air into the balloon? Let's try. Let's see what happens. Okay. Oh, what was that? Oh, not working there. Maybe Nate will fall asleep from blowing too much air into the balloon. Oh, this is a hard job. Whoo! I think I'm turning red right now. I'm running out. My head is getting dizzy. Ooh. Still a little more to go. Getting dizzy. Whoa! Woo! Okay, so if you predicted the balloon would bang, then you are right. I put too much air into that balloon and now, oh, my head is dizzy. So, you know, dizzy, if you spin really, really fast, you will be dizzy as well. So why don't you stand up and start spinning for 3 seconds. Really, really fast now, okay? So you're going to spin, 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 spin. Okay, now stop. Now if your head is, you are dizzy. Okay, let's go over these words again. A scientist observes. Okay, so we look. Can you observe what's around your house? Maybe you can observe, what is your mother doing? My mother is cleaning the dishes. My mother is watching TV. Maybe observe what your brother or sister are doing. Maybe they are playing. Okay? The next one is to compare and measure. So you can take something in your house and compare it. So let's say you have an orange and an apple. You can compare. What are the differences? An orange is orange, and an apple can be red or green. Okay? Classify things. So some things that we can classify are
Animals! We can classify animals. Some animals have
fur.
Yes, I have lots of fur. Oh, I like my fur. Ah!
And some animals have wings like birds. Oh! 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 Okay? So you can classify what animal flies and what animals have fur, and some animals do not have legs.
Oh, I don't know what I would be doing if I had no legs, because I love climbing trees.
Do you like climbing trees? I love climbing trees. When I was younger, I will always been climbing trees. I think I am also a crazy monkey, same as funky monkey.
Yes, we're crazy. Asa!
Okay, another word is makes a model. So, with the last ones that I showed you, you can make yourself a model airplane, and you can throw it and watch and see how far it goes. Another one is communicates. Communicates. Okay, so usually we have to communicate to people to understand. Infer is using knowledge that you already know to figure out what will happen. Okay? Put things in order. So if you remember the balloon, when Crazy Nate was blowing and then bang! Well, that's what happens. We got to put it in order. 1, the balloon was small. 2, Crazy Nate was getting dizzy, but the balloon got bigger. And then 3, the balloon exploded. Okay? Then predict. Predict. So I asked you before the balloon to predict what would happen. Okay? Investigate. So you could pretend you're like a policeman and investigate. Doom, 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 doom. Maybe figure out who stole your banana. Or maybe you can investigate who stole your candy. Okay? The next one draws a conclusion. So when we already have the information, now we draw a conclusion. My conclusion is that Funky Monkey,
What?
you stole my bananas.
No, it wasn't me. It was not me. I'm sorry. No. It was this guy over here.
Did he steal my banana? I think it was you.
No, it wasn't me.
Anyways, kids, I want to say thank you and have a great day, and we'll see you next time at OMK Science World.